We've developed a customer collaboration methodology to effectively deliver our solution. During our first Leverage Tech Intro meeting, our purpose is to present the solution and understand the customer project-specific cloud infra requirements. The second stage focuses on design review and planning, so we'll adjust the reference architecture based on your needs. We optionally offer to carry out an AWS Well-Architected assessment to specifically review already deployed workloads on AWS. And finally, we'll present the action plan and a proposal agreement. If the customer agrees, we move forward with the implementation roadmap, detailing all the specific tasks to achieve the full leverage reference architecture implementation into your AWS accounts, and of course, give you 100% of the code. Consider that you can implement leverage with our support, or we can deploy it for you. You will get your entire cloud solution architecture built on top of code that is thoroughly documented, tested, and has been proven in production at dozens of other project deployments. We are trusted by our customers from a great variety of industries such as fintech, edtech, media entertainment, digital banking, risk management, and cybersecurity, among others. And please, feel free to visit and read our customer testimonials webpage section to know more about the projects where we've successfully implemented our solution. Binbash was founded in the US as a remote-first company with a distributed team. Our collaborators, most of them AWS certified, are currently located at GTM-3 time zone, specifically in Argentina, Brazil, and Uruguay. Our mission as a team is to simplify the process of building and deploying software in the cloud. We believe that software is truly important for our society and hope to keep enabling innovation whenever possible. We want to help our customers with the ability to create secure, scalable, and highly available software on top of the best infrastructure and tools available. We also look forward to develop an open source software community that focuses on infrastructure as code, implementing DevOps methodologies, and prioritizing security by design. More than anything, we imagine a world in which software development teams can put much less time into infrastructure and much more time into the core unique aspects of their product development and businesses. Please feel free to contact us by email, via our web pages, forms at binbash.com.r or leveragebinbash.com.r. Thanks for watching, and remember you could also join our Leverage Slack community channel. Hope to see you there.